Hello and welcome to my unboxing of my new AVI-8 Hurricane Dual Time Watch. AVI-8 doesn't seem to have much of a presence online, which is a shame because I really like their military-inspired aviation style watches. So this one's my first AVI-8 and it has a picture of a Spitfire, a Mark 14 prototype, which I had to spend quite some time trying to find it online because it definitely didn't look like a normal Spitfire. So, alright. Unboxing here. Got a nice cloth box with their logo. And here is the watch. Very nice. It's a dual time. It just says right there. You can probably see that there's a little Hurricane or Spitfire on the back end of the second hand, which is a really nice little touch. Let's get that plastic film off. So at the 9 o'clock there is a second time, hence dual time, and at the 3 o'clock is actually a 24-hour indicator for the main hands. So that way, at a glance, you can know whether it is AM or PM. The pushers on the side are not for a chronograph. It's not a chronograph watch. And some nice detail on the back. All right. It's a beautiful watch. It comes in, I think, 8 different colorways, and I honestly could not decide. They were all beautiful. So definitely go check them out. Yes, if you like these kinds of watches, and they're very reasonable. I think they start at $180 to $210, which is very reasonable for a really striking aviation-inspired timepiece. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you like it, be sure to check out their watches.